Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Google account you want to change. This prevents updating the wrong profile. Once signed in, open My Account. Google.com or tap your profile icon in Gmail. Make sure the photo file meets size and format limits, JPG or PNG, and under 5 megabytes, because Google will reject oversized files. If you're on mobile, use the Google account or Gmail app. If on desktop, stay in a current browser. Next, click your current profile picture and choose Change or Add Profile Photo, then pick Upload and select the prepared file. You'll see a cropping and zoom tool. Drag the image to center your face, and use zoom to include the right amount of background. Once the frame looks correct, apply the crop. The interface will show a preview for Account and Google services. Confirm by selecting Set as Profile Photo so Google saves the new image across services. Finish by waiting a few minutes for Google to propagate the new picture across Gmail, Drive, and other services. Changes aren't always instant. If you don't see it, clear your browser cache or sign out, then sign back in to force refresh. If upload fails, make sure the file format and size meet Google's rules and retry in a different browser or the mobile app. If permissions block uploads, check account settings or any admin restrictions that could prevent profile updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.